Hey Leaguers! I'm about to go over our 4 committees for community engagement. So the first one is the Done in a Day Committee. These girls are going to help coordinate and attend our Done in a Day events. It's going to be our prom event at the Teen Center, things like Second Harvest Packing, or our Halloween story time. Just people who are available to help plan it and deliver materials, set up and take down. Our Backpack Putties Committee, these girls are going to coordinate and plan food bags for the local schools, preferably people who are available during the school day hours. We need people who can place online orders and pick up food at Second Harvest, coordinate members to come help pack, coordinate people to deliver, people who can communicate with the school counselors, collecting permission slips, finding out how many families are in need. We also have Books in the Home. These are people who can help coordinate and attend story times at our Boys and Girls Clubs. We try to do those monthly. These people can dress up when they're attending the events in our story character costumes, pass out books, sticker books, bring snacks and drinks. Those kind of things can be reimbursed by the treasurer. And lastly, we need a confidence closet leader to be our point of contact for all of our confidence closet locations. So this person is just going to manage the confidence closet inventory, make sure everything's running smoothly, keeping track of our Amazon wish list deliveries, making sure that each of the closets is organized, coordinating volunteers to visit the closets, and just make sure that everything is neat and tidy. Hope you join us.